In the right hands, art and science combine, and the result is remarkable. The result is a Dr. Moles smile.
For me, to have a nice smile is everything, because I look at everybody's teeth and I think, being a salesperson, a lot of people are probably looking at my teeth, so I think it's very important.
A smile for me is like giving a personal gift. It's the best thing you can give to anyone.
It's one of the magnets that draws people to you.
Having a nice smile really helps you personally to feel confident.
A lot of people will comment on my teeth. One guy said to me, "You have a great set of choppers," you know, so I think it makes a difference.
And the path you take to getting a beautiful smile is one of the most important decisions you'll ever make. Some orthodontists only treat the teeth. When they see crowding, they take teeth out without regard for facial aesthetics, and the result can be a caved-in look and a weak profile. Others choose surgery, breaking the jaw unnecessarily to get the result they want. But Dr. Moles gets excellent results and almost never recommends surgery or tooth extraction because he understands the way your smile impacts the look of your entire face. He knows that orthodontics is about aesthetic balance and strength. Each individual face has a unique shape and characteristics, so we create each smile to fit the individual's face and look great from every angle. Orthodontic treatment has come a long way since Dr. Moles first began creating beautiful smiles. Today, his technologically advanced approaches offer less irritation, better aesthetics, and better results in record time. But Dr. Moles doesn't stop there. Once the teeth are straight, he manicures them, and if necessary, even shapes the gum line with a state-of-the-art laser to give you your best possible smile. With the Sure Smile system, Dr. Moles is able to create incredible smiles in less than half the time it takes with traditional orthodontics. It all starts with a scanner that captures a digital picture of your teeth. Then he uses a 3D model to plan your treatment. Once your unique treatment is planned, a robot creates the wires that are the secret to Dr. Moles' incredibly fast treatment time. These wires are activated by the natural heat of your body, and they move your teeth in the most efficient way, so you get the best results in the fastest time. With Invisalign, you get straight teeth without braces. This process also involves high-tech 3D imaging. The clear, custom-fit removable aligners are comfortable, allow you to eat and brush normally, and are almost undetectable. And for kids, the options are endless. The technologies we use are amazing, but when it comes to you and your family, the way you're treated is just as important as the way we treat your teeth.
He's wonderful. He is always very pleasant. The offices are always very professional.
I love Dr. Moles. The moment I met him, he was very professional, but then there's that kind of side of him, and I've seen him in the office interact with his staff. I'm really impressed. Actually, that's one of the reasons I stayed here. We had 2 previous consultations with 2 different doctors. After coming in this environment and meeting him, just the atmosphere was so friendly, it was so family. I just felt comfortable. I just felt that this was the place I wanted to be.
He's a great orthodontist, cutting edge, and he just has a great personality. My clients just love him.
The staff here at Dr. Moles is always extremely courteous and nice. I've never had a bad experience here. Always a pleasure to come in.
The staff is incredibly efficient. Randy's done an incredible job of getting one excellent group of people that run. It literally is a fine-tuned machine. Never a problem, never miss a beat. They're always on top of things.
His team is second to none. I mean, they're all very professional. They know exactly what they're doing. They take really, really good care of our clients, and that's what we're looking for.
Every time we come in, everyone was so happy. They kind of just know you. They know you by name, even though they don't really see you a lot. They know you by name. They would greet you with a big smile, ask you, make small conversation with you. The kids just love them, give them hugs, They were so informed of what they were doing. Any questions you have, they had the answer right there. They were very professional, but yet you felt as though you weren't in a business place. And that for me stood out.
I have never met a warmer, more friendly group of people who also have such an incredible professional edge to them. When you come in here, no matter who you're dealing with, no matter which staff person is working on you, greeting you, working on your teeth, you know that you are with a highly trained person who really cares.
And when we make a referral to Dr. Moles, I really talk about his staff, and they're so well trained, and they really do a great job. They're also really a great office as far as adults are concerned as well. You know, historically you think of an orthodontic office as being a kid-friendly environment, which this is, but they also have about 50% of their practice with adults. So that's kind of a nice thing as far as an adult coming into a practice of all children and feeling like they're out of place because the chair doesn't fit them or whatever. So they deal with adults a lot. As well as diagnostically, there is nobody who can diagnose a case like Dr. Moles.
Dr. Moles teaches and lectures orthodontists throughout the world on the latest techniques and advancements in orthodontics. And you can trust the doctor's trust.
Dr. Moles actually takes care of 3 of my children. So it's very important for me that my children be treated with the best of the best. And Dr. Moles, in my mind, is the best of the best.
Randy has also treated both my son and my daughter. Actually, my daughter had been treated by someone else originally, and there were still some things that I was not pleased with. So Randy was the first one that I thought of to try to fine-tune and tweak things into a better position that we wanted for.
Referring patients here, for me, is the easiest thing there is to do. I just tell the patients' parents, this is where my kids go, and I love it.
At Moles Orthodontics, we're like one big family, and our entire team works together to make both your smile and your orthodontic experience the best it can be.
Everybody I could talk to, do you like my kids' smile? You should go to Dr. Moles.
Oh, all my friends come here. I've recommended him to a lot of people.
I love my smile, and I always will be grateful to Dr. Moles, and I continue to refer people to him all the time because he is a person that you can trust. And one of the things that I think is fabulous about Dr. Moles is he's always cutting edge. He's always got the latest technology. You always know you're getting the latest and the best possible care, and he only works with the best. So when he refers you to somebody, you know you can trust his recommendation.
One of the reasons I'm sitting here today is because my kids have benefited from something that makes them much more confident, much more happy. They love to smile. They love to tell people about their experience. And when you experience something good, you want to pass that on. And that's how life should be.